मेरा पहले तो सर पूरा का पूरा मीथ जितना था उतना टूटा, क्योंकि सर जो मार्केट में जो मीथ उड़ रहा है वो सब क्लियर हो गया।
आपने कहा था रीजनिंग एबिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए। सर रीजनिंग एबिलिटी वाज देयर बट आई वाज जस्ट नॉट ट्विकिंग माय माइंड। बट यहाँ पे कितने सारे ऐसे मतलब बंदे हैं सेम माइंडसेट वाले, उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर करके आई एम एबल टू मेक बेटर स्टोरीज एंड एबल टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सर।
People used to say that OLQ qualities तुम्हें inculcate करना है if you actually want to be an officer, how to lead the whole Bulletin or anything like that. But no one told us कि इसको implement कैसे करना है, how to correlate to each and every situation that we are in right now.
So, guys, I'm open to taking all the feedbacks, all the suggestions. What do you guys have to say about the class? How is it helping you? How has it helped you until now in the preparation? And going forward, how do you plan to make the most use of whatever I've taught when you go and appear for your SSB or the AFSB? I thought I'll just take a feedback from you all because this last 4, 5, 6 months have been really game-changing experience for us. So I thought that ki, let's hear it first hand आप लोगों से. So randomly anybody who wants to speak can start. Yeah, the floor is open. Yeah, हाथ ऊपर कर दो तो मैं देख के बोल दूँ. Okay, somebody can speak. Anybody who wants to speak.
सर पहली चीज तो मिथ बहुत टूटे सर, जो इधर उधर का जो सुन के आए थे वो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला, डाउट सारे क्लियर हुए हैं।
Thanks Abhay. Anuj,
Yes, sir.
please go ahead, man.
Yes, sir. Today also I was watching your podcast, and where you have been talking with the Major General Aditya. Major. Sorry, sir. Major. So where you are talking about that with GTOs we can learn that what are the experiences we can share. Means everything you have keep planning and organizing. These are the things that you can learn or you can put across. And recently I have to go for a SSB, and that SSB is also in the Bangalore, and
Yeah.
that is going to happen in like 13th of December. So
Okay.
right now I was how can I prepare, because a few weeks ago I was screen conference out from one AFSB Dehradun. So I found that in G2 I was not going that much good. Like I'm knowing the ideas, but still I'm not able to express my thoughts, or my thinking, or my power of expression is missing. So I just want to work on that one. And after that I work and I listen to your podcast and everything. So I came to know that I can do a lot in that. Yes.
We have Astha also. Astha, do you mind switching on your camera?
Sir, I would switch it on, but it's just my hair are tied up in blow dry rollers, so it looks a little funny. Uh,
Okay, not a problem. Please go ahead. She is the one who just recently got recommended, guys. So, I mean, thanks that she came. Yes, go ahead, Astha. You have something to say, please.
yes, sir. So, your guidance really helped me understand what is expected out of me in the tasks which I do over there. So, like, sir, for example, I very clearly remember in the class you had said कि lecture it तुम 3 मिनट के लिए दोगे, 3 मिनट तुम्हें मैं क्यों सुनूं? That the purpose of lecturate is to deliver what we know, but at the same time to also hold attention of whosoever is listening to us, because otherwise why would anybody listen to us? So all these different learnings that you had given with respect to different tasks that we were supposed to do in the group testing really helped me understand how should I perform over there, and I applied those teachings and they definitely helped me out.
Arjun, I think you also had something to say.
Yes, sir. Sir, which I've matlab, take a guidance from you, sir. That is very helpful for me because इससे पहले मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं पता था कि मतलब ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं। When I get your classes, मेरे मिड टूटे हैं बहुत सारे और मैंने प्रैक्टिस करना मतलब एक डिफरेंट ही क्राइटेरिया से शुरू करा है सर। And when I get my feedback from the psychologist, sir, so I have overcome on my shortcomings and which I do at my mistakes in the story writing or WAT, so I can improve that. And you just suggesting me that you have to read some books or newspapers, so it will be very helpful for me. And let's see what I deliver over there when I go and appear for the SSB, sir.
यस, लक्ष्य प्रताप, क्या है आपका फीडबैक, बताइए।
Sir, here I got to know about my strengths and weaknesses, and sir, it could be a life changing, sir. क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा था रीजनिंग एबिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, सर रीजनिंग एबिलिटी वाज देयर बट आई वाज जस्ट नॉट ट्विकिंग माय माइंड। बट यहाँ पे कितने सारे ऐसे मतलब बंदे हैं सेम माइंडसेट वाले, उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर करके आई एम एबल टू मेक बेटर स्टोरीज एंड एबल टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, सर। सो डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ रियली हेल्पफुल, सर।
व्हाट अबाउट यू Unnikrishnan?
Yes, sir. So, during your classes, I came to know, like, to the point में बोलना है, not to beat around the bush, and to how to present myself in the different tasks that are there in the SSB. Also, one thing that I remember very much from the class is that once you get recommended and then you get commissioned into different regiments, क्या वो like those soldiers and other officers from Gorkhas and Jats will respect you. I'm trying to make myself better in order for to become a better leader for all those people. So small things that I'm working on, and your class definitely helped me, sir.
Divya Sinha, you have some feedback, please.
Yes, sir. So we have really enjoyed your class, and we have got to know what is the emotion behind each and every task that is being performed at the SSB, to your perspective, and what is seen, what OLQ is being to inculcate within us. So it was really helpful. We got a different perspective rather than just practicing SRTs and WATs. Our syllabus is mainly OLQ. This is what I have learned. And so you keep on saying that I was a really bad commander. No, sir, not at all. We love your temperament. We love your tone and tenacity. It's pushing us and has taught us a lot. So thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Maudik Akbari, કેમ છો ભાયા? Yes, what's the feedback?
सर एकदम मजाમાં सर। मेरा पहले तो सर पूरा का पूरा मीथ जितना था उतना टूटा, क्योंकि सर जो मार्केट में जो मीथ उड़ रहा है वो सब क्लियर हो गया। और मैं ऐसे सर बैकग्राउंड से और ऐसे रीजन से बिलोंग करता हूँ, वहां तो कोई ऐसा एटमोस्फियर ही नहीं है सर डिफेंस के बारे में, और इवन लोगों जानते भी नहीं है कि हाउ टू बिकम ए ऑफिसर इन डिफेंस फोर्सेस। सो सर काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला सर, और एक राइट वे, प्रॉपर वे मिल गया कि सर कैसे कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, और एसएसबी में क्या क्या मतलब टास्क जो होते हैं वो उसका पर्पस क्या है, और कैसे क्या क्या जीटीओ और क्या क्या ऐसे सर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, वो सब काफी सीखने को मिला। और सर जो OLQ और OLQ कोरिलेशन का जो क्लास था वाज वेरी अमेजिंग सर। इट वाज वेरी अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस सर। थैंक यू सर।
Yes, Neeraj Jain, you have some feedback.
Sir, you made us realize that in SSB we have to overhaul our personality overall. Like rather than being doing things which will get you recommended, you told us to overhaul your personality according to the armed forces. So that was the major point for me.
Thank you so much, Neeraj. Yes, Sarunke, कसा आहेस रे? All well?
सर एकदम निवांत।
तुझे एक ही काम करने बोला था, बस तू 10 किलो वजन कम कर अभी।
यस सर हो रहा है सर।
डायरेक्ट रिकमेंडेशन मटेरियल, जिन लोगों को फीडबैक दिया है ना कि रिकमेंडेशन है तो है, आज नहीं है कल है, जिन लोगों को नहीं दिया है तो उन लोगों को बोला भी है कि एग्जैक्टली ये क्वालिटी, ये सब क्वालिटी का ये एक्शन वहां पे जाके इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है, उसके बाद आंखें बंद करके भी जाओगे तो भी रिकमेंड होगे, ठीक है। यस सालुंगे, व्हाट्स द फीडबैक, टेल मी।
Sir, you being, you not having a filter and telling us honestly about what is something that is lacking in us is something that is very different. कभी कभी अभी भी लगता है कि काश एनडीए के एसएसबी के पहले अगर आप का एक ये 10 डेज का कोर्स कर लिया होता तो शायद आज पास आउट हो रहा होता, क्योंकि कल ही 147th का पासिंग आउट था, वहीं से कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हुआ हूँ उसी कोर्स के लिए। तो वो तो काफी कल हिट हो रहा था। At the same time, sir, right now I'm doing event management. So daily life application of what all you have taught us, the killer combination, and when is it important to give the shut up call, when is it important to showcase a certain aspect of your personality, all that clicks sometimes when when I'm working or anything. So and that does really show the impact that you have told कि अगर ये ऐसा करोगे तो वो ये quality तुम्हारी दिखाएगा SSB में। So when I try to implement it, I do get results. And even right now that I'm working, I'm doing well with all those teachings that I took from the class. So even now, if SSB नहीं तो नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी काफी ज्यादा सक्सेस मिल रहा है विद ऑल द फंडास दैट यू हैव टॉट अस.
एसएसबी में भी मिलेगा. तू रिकमेंडेशन मटेरियल है बेटा. डोंट गिव अप. ठीक है.
Yes sir, sure sir.
यस शुभ वर्मा. टेल मी.
Good evening, sir. So, sir, what me was very interesting was, sir, that you told in the GTO that it is not important that whether you start first or last. What matter is that are you taking the group forward, sir? As we took in GD, that you said that those who raise the level high, like if you are performing in GD, you should always try to take a group discussion to a higher level, because that will only make a change rather than if you try to make the level of discussion too low, so it will negatively impact. So that is why I have assessed in myself or introspected in my previous attempts. So that what I was used to do, and in PGT it does not matter. So that whether you are in front or in back, it involves that what is your idea, and if you are giving your idea only and it is executed by others, so then also you are becoming a leader rather than just mind without being focused. You are just involving in VGT or on commandas, etc. So, sir, that was very life changing for me.
Chalo, nice to hear that. Who else we have again? Akhil, after a very long time. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, starting from very first day, sir, I get to know about like how to write the PPDT, sir, how to participate in the GD, so like the STAR acronym for writing the PPDT, and sir, getting the result, that how we have the situation, task, actions, and result. And sir, in the psychology, sir said like I have a very poor response in the psychology, and sir, I get to know about that where I am lacking. And sir, now I am day by day improving that and writing stories and seeing in the normal life that how to respond when something happens. And in the interview, sir gave me feedback that I have pretty much good confidence and I just need to work upon my current affair in depth details. So I think sir course has helped me a lot, and so surely I will rejoin the course in the January itself. So I have my SSB on 3 February Kolkata, and sir I will again join the course.
I hope all of you know, and even the new students who have joined, जैसे अभी जो current batch चल रही है 58, that you guys can stick around with me perpetually. जब तक तुम लोग ये decide नहीं करते कि फौज as a career is no more an option for me, or rather no more something that you want to chase, और over age हो जाओ. तो it depends totally on you. ठीक है. There are some students who have crossed their age bar and they were not recommended. Today they are still my students. They have become my friends also. And very soon I'll be paragliding with them. ठीक है. कुछ हिमाचली students हैं. So stay in touch guys. I don't want you to lose touch. ठीक है. Because ये जो commission हुए हैं, कमीशन होने के टाइम पे दे ऑल पिंग एंड मैसेज एंड इनवाइट भी करते हैं पीओपी पे. एंड सो मेनी ऑफ देम आर लाइक कि कोई मेरा किसी एक बैच में स्टूडेंट था, कोई और किसी बैच में स्टूडेंट था, फिर बाद में जाकर के एकेडमी में दोस्त बन गए. ऐसा भी हुआ है. सो दैट ऑल्सो हैज हैपेंड. तो यस राहुल, आई थिंक यू हैव सम फीडबैक.
Yes, sir. Just the best part of thing is that you focus more on the overall development, like confidence part से लेके physical fitness, current affair knowledge of the subjects, and this is like changing each and everything for us. In SSB also, if your overall development is there, then recommendation, I think it's not a big deal. And the best part is that you are teaching us to have a good routine, and good routine is giving a lot of confidence, sir.
Okay. Oh, we have Manika here. Hi, Manika. How's cold in Shimla?
Good evening, sir. Very, very cold.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, today I'll
Sir,
give
मैं
you a
भी
very
शिमला में ही हूँ
practical
अभी.
example finally.
Say again, sorry.
Today I'll give you a very practical example finally. After attending the classes, I had gone for a trek because I was in a very unprotected environment finally with my friends, and this time after I have done so many treks this time, all of them came together and they've told me that there is a lot of difference in the way I carried out things. So everything, because I was able to practically carry it out and I have seen the difference in myself within 10 days. So I owe all of that to you. Thank you very much. I don't know what will happen in SSB whenever I go or whatever happens in future, but I am very sure that this will help me throughout.
Just don't screw up stage one. You are a recommendation material, I know for a fact.
I will not screw. Yes, sir.
Hi, Nair. Stage one was the only this thing for you. I told you it was the narration part. But yes, you are also a recommendation material. Tell me.
Yes, sir, I know, and I have already given the feedback of my part already, and it's the same things I have to say. I had a still clear idea of the areas I had to work upon just after the OLQ's correlation parts, sir, and I'm currently working upon that always, and I do believe in continuous improvement. So yeah, uh, I'm working upon that, and the magnitude of the clarity just increased after the whole batch was over, and the way you always conducted the classes, putting the points right in front, back to the point, always worked upon me because it uh, it helped me to get the ideas of how where to work upon very fast. So yeah, and I'm always looking forward to keeping in touch with you, sir.
Nice to hear that, Nair. Very nice to hear that. Guys, see, pay attention. All of you remember I told you that hole making business? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Making holes,
Yes, sir.
human beings who are non-state actors non-state actor against the sovereignty, safety of our country. Non-state actors, उनके अंदर अगर होल बनाना है तो that's Indian Army's job, whether it is CICT or a full-fledged war, counter-insurgency or counter-terrorism. Making big holes in ships and sinking them down and let new countries be born. Let there be new countries. 1971, that's Indian Navy. And Air Force, of course, shooting down planes, making holes in planes. That's Air Force. Okay. And the last time it was Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartaman, right? Kirti Chakra. So, देखो कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक और गुजरात से लेके सेवन सिस्टर्स तक इंडिया इज वन, भारत इज वन. ठीक है. कास्ट, कलर, रिलीजन, क्रीड, ये सब के लिए कोई न प्लेस है ना कभी होगी. फौज के अंदर सब सेम ही है. काटोगे तो खून लाल ही निकलेगा. अगर मैंने अलग अलग कास्ट, कलर, रिलीजन के खून को अगर मिक्स कर दिया तो अगर तुमको बोलूंगा सेपरेट करके बताओ तो नहीं कर सकते. ओ पॉजिटिव ही होगा, बी पॉजिटिव ही होगा. इसीलिए नेम टैली के साथ में हम लोग अपना नेम टैग के साथ नेम उस ऊपर में हम अपना ब्लड ग्रुप भी लगा के रखते हैं, ताकि अगर इमरजेंसी में किसी को ब्लड देने की ज़रूरत आई इन ऑपरेशंस या वॉर तो किसी को भी बुला लेते हैं. तो इधर तेरा खून निकालना है. नोबडी सेज नो. So this is a service which is bonded by brotherhood, and it works more on group effectiveness, less on intelligence, less on your degrees, less on your basic intelligence. It works more on your practical intelligence, because every decision is going to cost lives if decision is taken wrong, and it will haunt you for the rest of your life. Galat order. So दैट क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट, दिमाग में चीज़ें पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगी, चाहे ये जीटीओ ग्राउंड ही क्यों ना हो. दिखा दिया तुमको 3D में अभी, और भी दिखाता रहूंगा मैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं बुला लूंगा सबको, नए बैचेस भी ऐड होते रहेंगे, पुराने स्टूडेंट्स भी आते रहेंगे. दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी एट ऑल. माई पॉइंट इज, देख करके समझ में आना चाहिए व्हाट इज फलक्रम, व्हाट इज रेजिस्टेंस. दिमाग में तुम्हारे एग्जीक्यूट होना जुबान से एक झटके में बाहर निकलेगा. ठीक है. सो यस सारंगी, यू हैव सम फीडबैक.
हाँ सर, प्रेटी मच द सेम जो बताया मानिका ने भी और बबलू ने, कि अगर मैं बाहर कहीं जाता और कोचिंग लेता तो मेरे को शुगर कोटिंग होकर बात मिलती कि या तो कर सकता है, ऐसा सा है, एक्स वाई जेड. बट आपका जो लाइक बीइंग ट्रू और बीइंग स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बात है, दैट मेंट अ लॉट. एंड
आपने ऐसे वीकनेसेस बताए, एंड बीइंग ऑनेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ पता करना बहुत आसान है, बट वीकनेस पता करना उसको लाइक उसको समझाना बंदे को इज मोर डिफिकल्ट एंड इट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। तो आपने वो चीजें बताई जो विच एक्चुअली मेड सेंस एंड एक्चुअली इज द थिंग दैट विल बी वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मी टू गेट रिकमेंडेड। तो वो चीजें मुझे पता चला। अभी आई वेंट टू एसबी गॉट कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट, बट मेरे को अब पता है कि हाँ दीज वर द इश्यूज दैट आई हैव टू क्रैक डाउन एंड आई हैव टू इम्प्रूव। तो वेदर इट्स साइक और जीटीए और इंटरव्यू पार्ट, इंटरव्यू में तो आई वाज क्वालिफाइड सर, में बहुत अच्छी इंटरव्यू अच्छा है मेरा। तो बट हाँ द रेस्ट टू आई बिलीव मेरे को पता क्लियरली है अभी कि व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आई नीड टू डू to get recommended in the next Navy attempt that I have. So that is the feedback I give.
Thank you so much for that feedback, yeah, Sarangi. I didn't want to take much time. आप लोगों का संडे है, वेट करो 2 दिन और। 4 दिसंबर 6 बजे शाम को आई एम रिलीजिंग द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड विच इज Kartika wants to say something. Hey Kartika, come on, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So actually, मुझे option नहीं मिल रहा था, so I couldn't raise my hand. So first of all, I would like to say that it's all about the OLQ qualities जो आपने बताए हैं। Starting में people used to say that OLQ qualities तुम्हें inculcate करना है if you actually want to be an officer, how to lead the whole Paltan or anything like that. But no one told us कि इसको implement कैसे करना है, how to correlate to each and every situation that we are in right now. So it was you that who could help me with combining all those factors, and I could actually work on it, sir. And secondly, the thing is like जो आपने एक procedure बताया था PPDT, TAT कैसे करना है, that is working a lot, sir. It's helping me a lot, to be honest. And thirdly, आपने जो बताया that I stay in a like comfort zone area, I need to come out of it, and अभी मैं उसमें एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन कर रही हूँ। सो इसलिए एट द लास्ट मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि रेकमेंड नहीं बल्कि मेरिट होके आ जाऊंगी। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल दिस।
तू होगी पक्का, मुझे पता है। Sir, I'm traveling in underground metro, hence I'm not able to switch on my camera also. Recently, I got conference out for SSC Tech on 23rd November from 22 SAP, but I improved a lot in GTO to be specific. In PGT and HGT, I am able to figure out fulcrum and resistance at all times, and also I do know about the areas of improvement that you told ke Shubham Padale, and I realized I had become a bit complacent towards studies and I'm working on it. Thank you so much. This was feedback by Shubham, and I think this chest number 6, Sahil. Who is Sahil? He wants to speak. Go ahead, yeah, son.
Yes,
Come on.
me.
Sahil. Hey, hi, Sahil. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. So, actually, talking about this course was very helpful to break my myths about the SSB, because before this course, I have not been to any coaching or any to any mentor. But this coaching helped me to break my all myths, and also helps me to clear my concepts about the SSB. And your classes about the OLQs, the which I have not thought before during I have been in preparation for 2 years, but I was not known about the the correlation you thought to us about interfactor correlation and intrafactor correlations. And so those classes were very new to me and very important before going to the SSB. So those things were very important, which I thought from you, and all the learnings, all the classes were you designed like. What we learned in the first class, which we have to implement on the second class, and what we learned in the first 2 class, which we have to implement in the third class. So it is very helpful that we the process is continuous, that we learn new things in the different classes, and we have to implement those things in the upcoming classes. So overall development is getting done through this process. And also after every class you used to give us the exercises. For example, you used to tell that go and take a Johari window test, go and take a Myers-Briggs test. So all those things were very new to me, because I was not aware about those things. And after taking those tests, and after taking feedbacks and feedbacks from, also I would like to talk about the psychology test and the interview also. In the psychology, I was Actually, what happened, sir? I have not been to any coaching. I was not getting that where I'm lacking. It's been I've given 4 attempts. I got for conference out in the first attempt, and after that I got screened out 3 times consecutively. So I was not able to know that where I'm lacking. But in the psychology test and the feedbacks from you in the live sessions and the feedback from the interviewer Pankaj sir, all these things were very helpful and very important to clear my all the doubts. So this is my feedback, sir. Sorry if I took very long time.
Hey, come on, man, come on. All students are near and dear to me. एक बार तुम आ गए ISV में, तुम community में हो. I remember this one student of mine, logistics branch join किया उसने. I'm forgetting the name right now. I remember. तो ये recommend होके आया. I think ये कहाँ से recommend हुआ? I think कैलकाटा से recommend हुआ था. एंड ही रोट प्लस, तो चेस्ट नंबर मिलता है ना, तो उस पर लिख के आया प्राउड ISVN, और पीछे लिख के आया कर्म वही करो जो करना ही फल लगे क्योंकि कर्म ही धर्म. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू टेल फ्रॉम डे वन. कर्म का वैल्यू तुमको तब समझ में आएगा जब तक तुमको लार्जर गोल समझ में नहीं आता, तब तक तुमको तुम्हारे कर्म की वैल्यू नहीं समझ में आती. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है ना तुमको एकेडमी में सिखाएंगे. All these small things you will learn throughout your tenure in the as a part of your basic military training. Yes, Jyoti, you have some feedback.
Yes, sir. Hello, everybody. Hello, sir. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
I hope I'm audible. I'm traveling right now.
Yes.
So yes, sir. So my feedbacks are first of all, when I joined this batch, in the very first day, it became very clear to me that it is not a regular session with any trainer. It was very raw, like the kind of experience you share about your own journey. And then you started one by one with each candidate. Why, what are your weaknesses, what you do with for your mental health and physical health. Likewise, we got to know each other, the whole batch. It was not like just one person is taking some guidance from an instructor and others are just joining. You made us feel like we're a part of a group, like we do it in the NCC. So this was one of NCC or SSB. This was one of the best experience that we had. Then the Johari window test and other activities that you gave us to do was actually very mind opening because we know what we do, but seeing us from the other person point of view, it is what actually got to know from those tests only. So it was also one of the unique things I learned from this test. Apart from this, you not only taught us how to be well in GD, GP, or in group discussions or in ground tasks, but also you taught us how to do well in life. The kind of shlokas you used to recite in our class, and I know you are reciting it in other batches as well. So it gave us in a little bit perspective that SSB is not all about what we do in those particular hours of those days, but apart from this, how you perform in your life as a whole. So it actually was very motivational for me. Apart from this, in ground tasks particularly, because I wanted to learn it from you, I had heard about your online video from my friends, like I said in the very first day. But apart from this, you made it very simple for us. It is a game of just two things. Cantilever is just fulcrum.
अच्छी चीज बोलते बोलते I think
It is just two things. Nothing is the kind of 5 basic machines. You actually made us an audible. Sir?
yes.
Yes. Yes. So, moreover, my feedback is this is one of the interactive sessions I have been to, and the kind of exposure is different and really very blessed because it is not. I have learned how and how to work on my weaknesses, how to be in depth and knowledge in our real life. Thank you.
All the very best, Jyoti. I'll see you soon in uniform. Very soon. ये 5 6 7 8
Thank
लोग
you.
जो है ना, आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग ये लोग वापस कब आके बोलेंगे कि ये रेकमेंड हुए हैं, बिकॉज आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट ये पक्का जाएंगे, रेकमेंड होके आएंगे ये सब लोग. Yes. So, guys, thank you so much for giving your time on a Sunday evening. आप लोगों को डिटेल्स तो मिलते रहते होंगे कि वेर इज़ द नेक्स्ट बैच, व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट बैच, कब क्या होने वाला है, तो वो सारी डिटेल्स तो तुम लोगों को हिमा से पता चलते ही रहते होंगे. यू गैस कैन ऑलवेज कीप कमिंग बैक. आई वुड से डोंट वरी, इतना हेडेक नहीं लेना, इतना टेंशन नहीं लेना. इट इज़ जस्ट अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ योर लाइफ. तुम SSB के गेट के अंदर घुसे तो गेट के बाहर जो व्यक्ति थे और गेट के अंदर का जो व्यक्ति है, इन दोनों में एक राई का भी डिफरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. इट हैज टू बी द सेम पर्सन. डू नॉट गो विथ अ माइंडसेट टू शो ऑफ और इम्प्रेस द बोर्ड. तुम जैसे अपने रियल लाइफ में हो ना, वैसे के वैसे ही आई वॉन्ट यू इन साइड द गेट ऑल्सो. And in the due course of time, you will understand that it was just a matter of how practically you think. ये practical thought process in practical situations of varying complexity जो VUCA है ना, this will keep happening on a daily basis. They will force you to think outside the box when you're entering the academies. And by the time you come out, you will feel jack of all trades, master of one. ये तुम कर लोगे. ठीक है, बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा ये तुम लोगों से. Someone else? Narendra Singh Rawat, thanks a lot, sir, for all your help and guidance. I'm not able to talk right now. I'm in the metro. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. I know I have met you. You are a wonderful person. बहुत faithful soldier बनेगा ये, बहुत faithful officer बनेगा. मस्त लड़का है ये. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We all can drop. Stay in touch. And जल्दी जल्दी मेरे को प्लीज़ खुशखबरियाँ दो कि तुम लोग रेकमेंड होके आए हो. ठीक है, I really want these news from you all. And hope to see all of you here in uniform, all of you. ठीक है.
Yes, definitely, sir.
Bye.